Hello again. I had some people inquire about this exhaust tip. Um, so far it's been okay. There's a little discoloration from heat. I'm actually wearing the black off here. Um, but a couple of people asked, how did I install it? So before I came to this one, I must have tried out 5 or 6 different exhaust tips from Amazon, and they all did not work. Some of them were made cheaply as far as how it attaches to the tailpipe or the exhaust pipe. So I sent them all back. This one and another one I'll show you towards the end. I wind up keeping because they fit well, and in case this one didn't work out. So the one I like, what I like about this is like a two-piece. There's this little bolt insert, which uses a 532, and then to lock that in you have to tighten the nut, which is a 9/16. So the way to fit this in there, you start without this one being in. So these two pieces you don't put in, and then you start the other one, the other screw, that takes the 532, and then you don't snug it, but you put the nut on top of it, and then you work this in, and then once you get it in, then you start to tighten this one, and then you tighten it on the other side. So let me see if I can show you, if I can get in there and show you what it looks like. But it's in there, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's underneath there. It was tight to get my hand under there, to use this tool to kind of tighten it. And in some cases I had to pull it out, and it was trial and error. I had to pull this back out, screw it in a little more, screw it out a little more. And then as you can see, I don't know how much you saw underneath there, but more of this bolt is all the way in than the other end. So that one's sticking out a lot. And that's where I guess you get this angle, and it's kind of going up. Like I said, the only hard part is getting your hand underneath here and reaching and using your tools and tightening. But it can be done. I've done it, and it's held up. I mean, I've only used the mower cut the grass 3 times, but I've driven it a little bit, and it's still tight, doesn't move. Both of them are really tight. So like I said, I like them. They look nice, but they're tough to get in. It's going to take some patience to get it in, but once you get this other side started and get it tight, then you can work on this one, and then that kind of tightens up everything, and then it won't move. Hopefully this helped. I didn't want to take it apart and try to put it back together. I didn't want to go through that again, but I wanted to kind of walk you through what I did to install it. I mean, out of all the upgrades that I've done to this mower, this one I figured no one really cared about, so I didn't make a video about. And this one is the one that some people are asking about. So again, hopefully this helps. Didn't want this to be too long, but that's how I got these tips installed on this Renegade. Thank you. So these are the other tips that if these were to fail, I was going to use these. These were a little more expensive, but they're straight, and again, it's built in, so all you do, this one would have been a little easier to screw in. You only had the 2 screws, and you don't, if you take this cover off, you won't be able to install either one of these, because they work by leaving the cover on. This one actually gives you a little more room around here. One thing I didn't like, and the reason why I kept these on, is with the regular exhaust, the cover like around here kind of vibrated and shook. So I really didn't like that. So since this is so snug, it doesn't vibrate or shake. It may be rubbing into this. I don't know. I can't really see it, but It's more sturdy. But I did want to show you this one as well, and I'll put the links to both of these on Amazon in the description. Again, I used a 532 hex 2 and a 9/16. A socket really wouldn't fit here. I tried that. I think I even tried the socket inside. You could try it if you get a little more leverage, a little more room. That'd be a lot quicker. But I had a hard time with the socket, so I had to use this. All right, and if you have the stubbies, they may work better because it's tight underneath here. So I don't know if you can use a regular length wrench. So, all right, thank you very much. Again, like and subscribe and comment if you have any comments, questions, or anything. Thank you. Bye.